O sige. May question pa kayo? Yes po.
Are you exposing for the highlights or the shadows? Are you exposing your pictures? Did you expose it based on the highlights or the shadows?
Technical yan eh. Medyo kung din ako sa technical.
I think you're exposing for the highlights. Kasi the shadows are dark.
Yung parang the way I create my black and white ba yan?
Yes, yes.
Actually, sabi nila, wag ko daw sabihin yung ano. Yung conversion ko ng black and white. May ginagawa kasi ako eh. And I tell you, every photo na kinakonvert ko yung black and white is pinag-aaralan ko muna yung shades ng black and white. Or hindi ko siya pinaprocess ng pocho-pocho lang. Okay, convert. No. May mga ginagawa ako para mailabas yung puti, sa itim, sa itim. You know that, sir. Thank you. Any more questions? Ano mga Oy, mga Nikon yan. Yellow! May questions pa po ba kayo? Oh, wala na. So, uwian na tayo. Yes. Yes po.
Ano yung particular na lens kung ginagamit niyo?
Oh, okay. Prime lenses. I never use zoom lens. 50, 20, 35. And it's all donated by. I use prime lens because I like swimming with my feet. I don't like yung magsusung ka. Kasi exercise na rin yun, diba? Pag lumalapit ka, it's more challenging. I like challenges. Boring naman kasi kung magsusung ka lang, parang pamadong tao. So I like walking, getting close to my subjects. Thank you. Let's go.
Is there a certain speed that you like among the speed that you usually use?
Oh, I like
Camera speed.
Camera speed. Settings to usually is 3200 ISO, f8 and above. And then the speed, dahil sa ISO na rin yun, aperture kasi gamit ko 50 and above. Kasi pag bumaba ko na ng 1.4 kapag sa gabi. So usually ang settings ko is 3.2, maaraw man yan o hindi, because I like grains. If you look at my photographs, grainy siya. Because I like it, it's beautiful. It's ugly, but it's beautiful. And it's weird, right? Yes.
Hi. I have two questions. Kasi sabi mo you shoot daily. So, first question ko, actually 3 questions pala. So, first question ko, gaano katagal each day do you shoot? Mga ilang oras? Second question ko is, sabi mo you're interested kasi or you're drawn into lights, diba? So, what time in a day do you normally or usually shoot? Tapos, third question ko, dami, sorry ah. Third question ko, kasi yung mga subjects mo, yung mga tao, yung iba hindi nakatingin, or yung iba na-capture mo in a moment na parang private sa kanila. Do you sometimes feel guilty na parang hindi aware yung subject na kunan mo siya? I'm asking that because sometimes I feel that way. I feel guilty na yung subject ko, parang nakunan ko siya on a moment na parang private moment na yun. So parang yun. So sometimes I hesitate to post the picture because of that feeling. So thank you.
So yung first question is what time of the day I shoot? It's the time na pwede ako mag-shoot. Kasi may restriction sa time ko eh. So every time na lalabas ako, maraming talaga, hindi ko na tinitignan kung anong oras eh. But pag off ko, usually noon. But mostly daily, I don't really look at the time anymore kasi minsan 5 minutes lang ako sa babae. So, every time na mag-shoot ako, importante sa akin na may nakunan akong okay sa akin. So, tinitignan ko mabuti yung framing ko, yung composition ko, those stuff. Kasi ayoko masayang yung certain time na binigay sa akin para mag-shoot. The second question is yung ano, yun? gano'ng katagal. Hindi ko control kasi yung time ko eh. Kasi may boss ako. So minsan utusan lang ako sa baba ng, can you get me this or that? Then, ayun, yun lang. Minsan 5 minutes, minsan 15. And then, the next question is, nahigil ba ako? Kasi, I'm used to it. I mean, kapag nagalit yung subject mo or sinabi niya sa'yo na delete it before, I don't want you getting my form, ganyan, kailangan mong i-delete yun. Sa side ko, dinidelete ko kasi karapatan niya yun. Pero pag hindi naman niya sinabi na i-delete ko, thank you very much. Kaya nga may headset ako. Kasi kung mara, hindi ko narinig na pinapadelete niya. Parang gano'n. Thank you. Meron pa? Meron tayo, ha? Sausage. Yes, po.
What inspired you?
Actually, I shoot with my feelings. Yeah, I always say this, I shoot with my feelings.
Ay ma'am, how safe ba sa Hong Kong mag-shoot alone? Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, malabo yata ang mag-isa ka. Patuloy mo siguro, wala na yung camera mo.
May mga... advantage ng, yun ay isang advantage ng Hong Kong. It's a very safe country. Actually, lowest na sa crime rate. And siguro, comparing here, yun yung challenge dito eh. Diba? Yung mag-shoot ka alone na pag uwi mo is may damit ka pa. Diba? So it's very different. Pero may mga area ako sa Hong Kong na hindi ko mapuntahan. Kasi it's quite dangerous.
Street photography ko, tutala ko eh.
At lalo na yung may mga aso-aso. Sabi ko makulit ang aso at mahal ang vaccine. Kaya dito ako pupunta. Regarding sa tanong ni Kuya kanina, what inspires me, I shoot with my feelings. Kung ano yung certain mood ko that day. Usually if I'm sad, all the photographs I took are sad people. When I'm happy, I shoot happy people. So I base it on what I feel. Because yun yung drive ko to shoot. It's a way of releasing all the feelings or all the stress. Kasi I work 6 days a week, 15 hours, more than 15 hours a day. And I have 1 day to enjoy myself. Kasi uminom ako, di ba? Mag-shoot na lang ako, di ba? Parang ganun. I shoot with my feelings. Because for me, when you shoot with your feelings, it's you. Kahit pa paano, na ilalagay mo yung personality mo sa mga images mo because it's you. It's not their feelings, it's your feelings. So kahit pa paano, it's a combination of my feelings and their feelings. Parang ganun. Imo lang. And isa pala, dagdag ko hard work. I don't wait for inspiration. I look for it. Kasi pag maghihintay ka ng inspirasyon, wala, 48 years bago dumating. Kaya dapat, ikaw mismo yung maghanap, diba? You go out. Even if you feel like shit that day, grab your camera and go out and shoot because you don't know what will happen. Parang gano'n. Sige.
Hi. Since nandito ka sa Philippines, meron ka bang prospect na kuhaan na dito lang, wala sa Hong Kong?
Yeah. I'm doing some documentaries right now sa probinsya, kaya lagi ako doon. Kasi may mga ginagawa akong documentaries and stuff. And iba kasi yung, actually ang Pilipinas, puno-puno ng content. Content-wise, panalo ang Pilipinas kasi yung mga nangyayari dito sa Pilipinas is wala talaga sa Hong Kong. Like politics, poverty, which I seldom shoot nowadays. Kasi ang turo sa akin ni Manong Rick as a mentor, if you cannot help them, why shoot them? Diba? If you're not going to create a set to help those people, or gagamitin mo lang sila to get likes on Facebook, like, ang awesome mo, nag-shoot ka ng nang humihingi ng pera dun sa may bakaran, parang ganun. And, as much as possible, bigyan natin ng dignidad yung mga sinushoot natin. Kasi minsan nawawala. Inis ako sa nagpo-post ng mga nakahubad na bata. Diba? Kung kayo kaya yun, i-post ng nanay yung teacher, yung nakahubad kayo. Pero feelings, diba? Kayo na yun. Yung paano naman kaya yung makaramdam yung magulang ng bata mo? Yes, kayo. Kayo, Bear.
Besides, paano ka nag-focus? Sabi mo kasi you shoot from here on the side. Paano pinofocus?
Ang ginagawa ko po kasi is pinag-aaralan ko yung certain distance. So alam ko na po yung layo kung paano ko siya titikan. Alam ko na po kung makukunan ko ba siya ng buo. Kasi po FA, hindi ko lahat. So parang pinag-aaralan ko po talaga yung camera. Hindi po yung bibigyan lang sa akin ng camera. Kaya usually kung binigyan ako ng bagong camera, hindi ko yung manual, pero pinag-aaralan ko yung distance, kung paano siya mag-focus, mag-isa, parang gano'n.